Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic 308 in the Tech Edition specification. So this car's got some great features including park assist, lane positioning assistance, there's blind spot detection, you also get this lovely panoramic glass roof, 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reverser camera. Now inside the car, the touchscreen has 3D navigation, there's DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. To tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, but that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.